Kosmotime for Freelancers, how to bring structure to your days and make your monthly invoices simpler. That's what we're going to see today with Lucy's Kosmotime. Lucy works as a freelancer. She's a content marketer and copywriter. On average, she works for 3 clients at the same time and she has between 3 to 7 tasks per day. Lucy has 2 main needs. First, she wants to bring more structure to her days. And second, she wants to simplify her monthly invoicing. Together, let's see the solutions she has implemented with Kosmotime. First, structure. Lucy categorizes her task by using the project and tag features. Each client has its own color, and all projects exist under the folder projects. She also has different types of tags for each new task, billable time and non-billable time. She also has priority level, low priority, normal priority, and high priority. And she also uses a time period tag, Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. To make things quick and easy, when Lucy wants to create a new task, she uses the shortcuts as you can see down the screen. Q is to create a new task. The sign $ is to open and select tags. And the hash key is to open and select projects. By using projects and tags, Lucy creates structure and benefits from a clear view of her task, per client, and per project. Need number 2, how to make monthly invoicing simpler. Each time Lucy works on a task that is client-related and categorized as billable work, she uses the timer and starts what is called a focus session. Lucy also tracks her time anytime she is browsing a web page for a task that is part of her billable work. For that, she uses the Chrome extension. In one click and from any website, she can start the timer. By doing so, she makes her monthly invoicing much easier. When she's due to prepare and send her invoices to her clients, she consults her time reports. And then she filters by projects, tags, and time periods. And from there, she's able to see exactly how much time she spends on the project. Lucy does not need to do approximate calculations or write down her timesheets anymore.